Welcome to the Credolab Optional Modules integration tutorial. Today we'll guide you through the simple process of integrating Credolab SDK into your React Native application. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully integrated optional modules. Let's get started. The Credolab SDK is designed to be modular, allowing you to pick and choose the features you need. Each optional module within the Credolab SDK is linked to specific runtime permissions. These modules are responsible for collecting metadata that is accessible only after the relevant permission is granted by the user. For example, if your application already has active users, we recommend starting with modules that require permissions your app already has. This way, you won't need to request additional permissions from your users, making the integration process smoother and less intrusive. Now let's start the integration. Step 1. Declare dependencies. Visit the Android SDK integration page on docs.credolab.com and copy the optional module dependencies into your package.json file. Replace the module version placeholders with the latest versions found on the React Native SDK page. Now let's run npm install. After the npm packages have finished installation, navigate to the iOS folder and install the CocoaPods dependencies by running the pod install command. Step 2. Declare iOS permissions. While Android permissions are included in the app manifest automatically, for iOS a permissions declaration is still required. Open info.plist file and paste required permissions. Step 3. Add modules to Credo app service. Visit React Native integration page and copy optional modules import declarations. Then, let's add our modules to Credo app service. Ensure necessary permissions are granted before calling the collect method, or metadata won't be collected. For details on requesting permissions, check the React Native documentation. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated optional modules into your application.